Bonjour everyone. Today I will show you how to confidently handle Section A comprehension in your CBSE grade and French exam. Section A holds a total of 10 marks. Purpose of this section is to test how well you can understand and interpret a French passage. It's not about translation. It's about understanding meaning. Now let us check the essential steps to handle comprehension competently and proficiently. Step 1. Always start by reading the questions first. It helps you know exactly what information to look for while reading. Skim the passage once to get the main idea. Then scan again to find keywords like names, years, or numbers that match your questions. Write precise and clear answers as the question asks. Now let's practice with real example. So students, your CBSE grade 10 French question paper looks like this. Okay, I have explained the instructions to follow in my previous video. Do check them. So I'm going to solve section A comprehension. Okay, follow my instructions step by step so that you get full marks and do your exam confidently. So this question carries 10 marks. As I said, always pay attention on pictures, numbers. It's very important, year, etc. Read the question first. Okay. Regardez l'image et lisez le texte suivant. So look into the image and read the following text. Okay, before we read the text, the step 1 is to read the question. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Okay, answer to the following questions. The au choix, that is any two you have to answer out of the three questions 1, 2 and 3. First question, selon l'image, quel pourcentage des joueurs jouent régulièrement aux jeux vidéo? According to the image, what percentage of players play regularly video games? What is jeux vidéo? Video games. So next one, here it is given for visually impaired students, so it does not apply to you. However, I'll explain the meaning of this question alone. Okay. Selon le texte, nommez deux titres de jeux vidéo. According to the text, name two titles of the video games. Next question. Quelles sont les raisons pour la popularité des jeux vidéo? What are the reasons for the popularity of the video games? Third question. Comment savez-vous que le nombre de maisons utilisant des équipements techniques a augmenté depuis les 5 dernières années? How do you know the number of houses using technical equipments increased since last 5 years? Dites vrai ou faux. Say true or false. Selon l'image, according to the image, 29% des jeunes jouent rarement aux jeux vidéo. 29% of the youth play rarely video games. So based on the image, you will see an answer here. Next question is for visually impaired students only. However, I'll explain what is given here. D'après le texte, près de 20% des Français ne jouent pas du tout. Okay, according to the text, 20% of the French do not play video games at all. Now, fifth question. Les jeux vidéo sont devenus populaires pendant quelques années. So, video games became popular the last few years. Les jeux gratuits avec des achats réduisent la popularité des jeux vidéo. Les jeux gratuits avec des achats réduisent la popularité des jeux vidéo. The free games along with the purchase reduces the popularity of the video games. Selon une étude, en 2021, les équipements ont doublé dans les ménages français. According to the studies in 2021, the equipments have doubled in the French household. Les gens en retraite s'amusent en jouant aux jeux vidéo. Retired people enjoy by playing video games. D'après l'enquête pratique, beaucoup plus de Français ont joué aux jeux vidéo en 2020 qu'en 1997. According to the survey, lot of French played video games in 2020 than in 1997. Trouvez dans le texte trois au choix. So you have to find this from the text and any three you have to answer. The 10th question is le contraire de moi, the opposite of moi. Okay, then the 11th question, la forme nominale de progresser, the form nominal of progresser, nominal form. 12th question, le synonyme de par exemple. Okay, synonym means synonyms only. Then the 13th question, un mot pour parler de quelque chose qui se fait chaque jour. A word to say something that we do every day. And the 14th question is un pronom relative. You have to find the pronoun relative, that is qui, que, donc, etc. Okay. As I mentioned in the instructions, I will first start with the image. Understanding the image. La génération Z, 15 ou 24 ans. That is Gen Z. 15 to 24
Let's
years.
solve the
Et le
comprehension.
jeu vidéo and the video games. 7,1 million de joueurs. 7.1 million of players. Okay. 93% des 15 ou 24 ans jouent aux jeux vidéo. What does this mean? This means 93% of people aged 15 to 25 play video games. Right? 19% des joueurs de jeux vidéo ont 15 ou 24 ans. What does this mean? 19% of the video game players are between 15 and 24 years old. Okay, right. Then, 29% jouent plusieurs fois par jour. Okay, 29% jouent plusieurs fois par jour. 29% people play many times per day. 27% jouent tous les jours ou presque. 27% of the people play every day or almost every day. 10% jouent moins souvent, 10% play quite less. Okay? Then 9% jouent de temps en temps. 9% play time to time, sometimes. 1 à 3 fois par mois. 1 to 3 times per month. 25% jouent régulièrement. 25% people play regularly, un ou deux fois par semaine, 1 or 2 times per week. So let us check the first question. Selon l'image, quel pourcentage de joueurs jouent régulièrement aux jeux vidéo? According to the image, what percentage of the player play video game regularly? In this is souvent, this is de temps en temps, and it is presque, and this is régulièrement. That means 25% de joueurs jouent régulièrement. Okay, so this is the first answer, right? So this will be the answer. Près de 25% de Français jouent régulièrement. Can you see a sentence written in bold words for visually impaired students only? So this is not for us. So let us move on to the second question. As the first question was based on image, so the alternative questions were asked for those who are visually impaired. So second is, quelles sont les raisons pour la popularité des jeux vidéo? What are the reasons for the popularity of video games? Can you see here? It is given here les raisons. So it is singular or plural? It is plural. So from here onwards we should start reading the text. Okay. Le jeu vidéo s'est largement diffusé en quelques décennies via la notoriété de certains titres entrent dans la culture populaire. Pac-Man, Space Invaders, Mario Bros, Tetris, GTA V, Minecraft, Animal Crossing, etc. Mais aussi grâce à la démocratisation de certains équipements comme les téléphones portables ou les ordinateurs. So the meaning of this is, video games have spread widely over the past few decades through the popularity of certain famous titles such as, all this is given in the bracket, and also thanks to the fact that some devices such as mobile phone or computer have become available to everyone. So the décennie means what? It means decades. Okay, grâce à means thanks to. Alright, now I would like to say that, can you see a word with a star? Yes, these words meanings are given at the end of the passage. So the meanings of these words are given in English to help you understand the text. Okay. So we got the answer for the second one, that is grâce à la démocratisation de certains équipements comme les téléphones portables ou les ordinateurs. So shall we write the answer for the second one? Here we go. Yes. So this is the answer for the second one. Okay. One answer we have given. Second answer we have to give two reasons, right? One reason we have found. Okay. Meanwhile, we find the second reason. We will read the third question and understand it and find the answer for this also side by side. Comment savez-vous que le nombre de maisons utilisant des équipements techniques a augmenté depuis les 5 dernières années? How do you know that number of houses using the equipments have increased in the last 5 years? Let us now understand the second paragraph. Selon une étude de l'ANSEE de février 2021, le taux d'équipement des ménages français en ordinateur portable, fixe ou tablette a doublé en 15 ans. En 2019, 96% des ménages possèdent un téléphone portable et 83% un ordinateur. So what does this mean? According to an INSEE study from February 2021, the number of French households equipped with computers such as laptop, desktops or tablet has doubled in 15 years. In 2019, 96% of the households own a mobile phone and 83% a computer. So we found the answer. Selon une étude till 15 ans. So you can put the answer here for the third question. Okay. Now let us read the third paragraph and understand whether we can find an answer for the second question, that is reason for the popularity of video games. Okay. Le taux d'équipement en matière informatique qui, contrairement aux consoles, n'est pas exclusivement ou initialement destiné aux jeux vidéo, contribue à expliquer longuement. Le jeu gratuit, avec des achats dans le jeu, contribue aussi au développement de la pratique. So this is the answer for the second question, the second reason we have found. So what is the meaning of it? Free games with in-app purchases also contributes to this growth. Okay. So this will be our answer, second reason. Now we got the second answer, second reason. So now we'll move on to dit vrai ou faux. That means tell true or false. Selon l'image, according to the image, 29% des jeunes jouent rarement aux jeux vidéo. So we should find whether it is true or false. 29% of the youth play video games rarely. Okay. So here if you see 9% jouent de temps en temps. That is means time to time, kind of rarely. Okay. So it is not true. So the answer is false. 4. Right. So next question is for visually impaired students. Then fifth one, les jeux vidéo sont devenus populaires pendant quelques années. Video games have become popular in the last few years. Is it true or false? According to this text, we can understand that the households in France are using computers, laptops, tablets, etc. It has doubled in the last 15 years. This shows that there is a steady improvement in the use of video games over the years and it is not the recent development. So answer is 4. Number 6. Les jeux gratuits avec des achats réduit la popularité des jeux vidéo. So the free games along with the in-app purchases reduces the popularity. Is it true or false? So according to the text, les jeux gratuits avec des achats dans le jeu contribuent au développement de la pratique. The text says that it increases the popularity. So the answer is 4. Next question. Selon une étude, en 2021, les équipements ont doublé dans les ménages français. Vrai ou faux? According to study in 2021, les équipements ont doublé. The equipments have doubled in the households in France. Is it true or false? Let us check in the text. So, according to the study in INSEE from February 2021, des équipements de ménage français en ordinateur a doublé en 15 ans. So, answer is vrai. Eighth question. Les gens en retraité s'amusent en jouant aux jeux vidéo. So, the retired persons like to play video games. Is it true or false? Question number 8. Les gens en retraite s'amusent en jouant aux jeux vidéo. So, the retired people enjoy by playing video games. Let us find the answer from the text. As we have already read till this paragraph, now let us read the last two paragraphs to understand. D'après l'enquête pratique culture des Français du ministre de la Culture, 53% des Français âgés de plus de 15 ans ont joué aux jeux vidéo en 2020, contre 19% en 1997. L'effet des confinements ne suffit pas à expliquer ces chiffres, puisqu'il était 36% en 2008 et 44% en 2018. Il y a donc une progression continue qui exprime une tendance de fond. Il y a donc une progression continue qui exprime une tendance de fond. Now let us see the meaning in English. According to a survey, 53% of people aged 15 and above played video games in 2020 compared with 19% in 1997. The last paragraph. So we did not find the answer for the question. So we will read this paragraph also. En 2020, 74% des femmes et 93% des hommes nés entre 1985 et 2004 ont joué aux jeux vidéo au cours de l'année. Un enfant sur deux et un adulte sur trois jouent quotidiennement. Près de 20% des Français jouent plusieurs fois par jour. D'ailleurs, on compte 19% des retraités parmi les joueurs français. So we found the answer that 19% of the retired people plays video games. So the answer is vrai. Now the last question. D'après l'enquête pratique, beaucoup plus de Français ont joué aux jeux vidéo en 2020 qu'en 1997. It is also vrai, isn't it? In this paragraph, can you see here? So, 53% des Français âgés de plus de 15% ont joué aux jeux vidéo en 2020 contre 19% en 1997. So the answer is vrai. The last part is trouver dans le texte. So from this, you have to answer only 3. Trois au choix means any 3 from the 5 questions given. So, le contraire de moi, the opposite of less. So we have to find here the vocabulary given. So I could find here in this paragraph plus the, isn't it? So opposite of moi is plus. Now, la forme nominale de progresser, the noun form of progresser. Progresser is in verb form. Now we have to make it into noun form. La progression. Le synonyme de par exemple. So we have to find the synonym of par exemple. Go back to the text. Yes. Mais aussi, grâce à la démocratisation de certains équipements comme certain equipments like is also for example, isn't it? The synonym of par exemple is comme. Okay. Now, un mot pour parler de quelque chose qui se fait chaque jour. A word to tell something that you do every day. So we found here, isn't it? In the last paragraph, un enfant sur deux ou un adulte sur trois joue quotidiennement. 1 out of 2 kids and 1 out of 3 adults play daily. So, quotidiennement is our answer. From the text only we have to take students, right? So the last question is am pronoun relative. From the text we have to find what is a pronoun relative like qui, que, etc., donc, etc. So what it means, the qui represents who, that or which depending on context, isn't it? So it connects 2 sentences into one. So let us find out where is qui, que, etc. Yeah, I could find in this paragraph. Le taux d'équipement en matière informatique qui contrairement au console n'est pas, and it goes on. Okay, so here it represents which. So the answer is qui. Let us now check passage summary of section A in English. Complete PDF of explanation in English and the answer key is available in the description box below. You can download it and revise anytime. Don't forget to check it out. The passage discusses how video games have spread widely over a few decades due to the popularity of titles like Pac-Man, Mario Bros, Minecraft, etc. and because of the accessibility of devices such as mobile phone and computers. According to a 2021 INSEE study, 96% of French households own a mobile phone and 83% owns a computer, which explains the growth of gaming. Free-to-play games with in-game purchases also encourages this practice. From 1997 to 2020, the number of players rose from 19% to 53%, showing a continuous trend, not just an effect of lockdowns. In 2020, 74% of women and 93% of men born between 1985 and 2004 played video games. Even 19% of retired people play. Conclusion: gaming is now a universal, everyday activity across ages. I hope this video helped you understand Section A Comprehension of CBSE Grade 10 French Recent Question Paper 2025. In the next video, I will teach you how to solve Expression écrite Section B, where you will learn how to write an informal letter writing. So don't miss it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to French for All. Till then, it's over. À bientôt.